Hey, welcome to another broadcast of Master Investor Company, coming to you live today with a new theme regarding cash flow and how we can improve our bottom line. We can actually get started online making direct sales and building our asset column, building our cash flow very fast because of the systems that are available, how rapidly we can sell to the world and without even having to have the product physically. So we're going to show you exactly how to follow our step-by-step blueprint. And as we always say, there are a lot of formulas out there that we can follow to achieve great success when it comes to money and creating wealth and riches. At the end, it's all about achieving freedom and more freedom, right? To be able to do the things that we want without having to worry about how much does it cost to do that. It's about, we can do that because we have businesses and investments that are producing passive income into our income column on our financial statement. We're going to show you how to read your financial statement, how to, if you don't never read your own financial statement, we're going to show you how to put it together and how to start building it, because once we understand that it's all about the asset column on our financial statement, and that's why people work for money, because they have a job that they have to go every single day for to earn the money that they spend every month. So they're literally chasing money, they're chasing the bag. Here at Master Investors Company, we actually show you how to make money work hard for us, how to build a pipeline from the marketplace straight to our bank account, to our business bank account. Remember, the assets are being held by our companies, the companies that we own, right? So the assets are owned by our companies that we own. And companies are built to ultimately protect the owners, us, the entrepreneur investors. So the fastest way to get started from home making money, um, your start making your asset column grow by acquiring assets, digital assets, because it's the fastest way to get to the money. Okay, first we need a company, and if you don't have one, remember, when you build a company, when you establish a company, you got to think of a name, and you got to also think of a logo, and you also have to think of the mission of the company. And it's okay if you don't have all of the answers, but it's important that you get established with a company so that we can get to the money fast and we can start building from there. We can always adjust as we move forward, but take massive action. So if you're watching this video right now, hit the subscribe button. Welcome to the community of Master Investor, bringing the good and bad news of money. We are the money, business, and investing brand of the world, right? And because we are here to provide financial education made simple, high quality, so that you can take advantage, because knowledge is money, and we teach that it does not take money to make money. It takes knowledge, it takes an idea backed up by confidence, right? So as I'm creating our next blog here for our company, we want to ensure that every product and every service that we put out through our company is always to empower our bottom line, because our mission here is to elevate the financial well-being of all of our partners, including the free partners, the ones that are new to the channel, the ones that are just getting to know who we are. So aside from being an investment management company, we also provide high quality financial education, right, digitally. So head to our website at www.masterinvestor.education. Choose one of the courses that best suits you, so that we can start building the asset column with sound assets. And asset puts money on our pocket when we don't work. That is a true asset, right? So if we have a business, or if we're obtaining an asset, is with the whole purpose that we're not going to have to work to produce the income, the passive cash flow that is coming from that sound asset, right? And so if it doesn't do that, then we're gonna pass on that liability, because it will be a liability. It's not an asset. Anything that takes time away from us in order to make the money is literally a liability in the rich man's eye, because we want to be free and be able to control our time, our schedule, and not having to work for money, right? We're not showing you how to obtain a job, how to on a job. We're going to show you how to establish a company, a brand with a mission, and start providing value to the marketplace and build a pipeline with assets that are pouring in into your bank account with passive income. Is the income of the ultra wealthy. So the first is establish a company. Number two, you know, get to understand direct sales, affiliate marketing, and find an opportunity that we're passionate about. There are so many products out there already built for us, so we don't have to build the wheel, but we gotta learn what it takes to build the wheel so we can choose and pick the right vehicle so that we can get from financial point A to financial point B successfully, right? So an investment vehicle, that's the job. It takes us from where we are right now to point B. So if you are at a certain amount per month right now on passive income, whether it's 0 or 100 or 1,000 or 100,000, your next milestone will be whatever you have it set to be. And so that's what we want to get you to as fast as possible, and also expedite to the next level as well after that, because here at Master Investor, we're all about building the asset column with assets, with sound assets that put actively every single day cash flow into our pockets, right? Without us having to work. So we're breaking people away from the rat race because too many are working at jobs that they hate, and that makes people sick. So don't stress about money because of lack of financial education, because we're here for that. So welcome to our community. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you love the content. If you find this valuable, then just hit us with the like. We appreciate that. Leave us a comment below, a question that you may have. We will promise that we will come back and answer it, and others might benefit from that as well. And you ultimately will benefit from it, because we will start a conversation that is proactive regarding around the subject of money, which is what we like to talk about here at Master Investor, about building our cash flow. We're okay with talking about money all the time. That's what we're going to be focused on: cash flow, cash flow, cash flow, in financial education, compounding that financial education, because knowledge is money. The more knowledge we know about money and business and investing, the more we're going to ultimately do better when it comes to building assets and acquiring assets without our own money, just finding the opportunity, putting the deal together, and raising the capital. Because the job number one of an entrepreneur and investor is to raise capital successfully, and the number one skill is to sell. So we combine those together, we can raise any capital. We don't need to use our own money. In fact, that's what we say: it does not take money to make money. It takes an idea backed up by confidence, it takes partners, and it takes an opportunity. So once we put all those together, we just have to have one. So we find the opportunity, and we're going to show you how to do that here. So follow us on all platforms and head to our website, get one of the digital courses, get started with making and building a system that's doing the selling and telling for us successfully online, even while we sleep. So we can choose a product that we're passionate about and start building a marketing campaign, because it's all about marketing. It comes once we have it all set up, it comes down to getting traffic into that website or that sales funnels, right, or that capture page that we have built to get those leads into our database, which we will control ultimately, and we will be able to shoot out an email campaign to them throughout the month, throughout the year, so that we can encourage them to go ahead and purchase from us, because we're a trusted company, we're a trusted source, we love the product, and we highly recommend it, and they need it because they actually entered the information in exchange for what we were offering, which was the how to fix their problem, right? And here at Master Investor, we showed you how to build the how to, sell that, monetize your passions, how to build a system. And information is king. So it's all about organized information, and we put it in an organized manner that is easy for the end user, and people find a lot of value into that subject, so we can actually sell that. And we're going to show you how to do that throughout different platforms where actually clients are looking for that and wanting to buy whatever we are offering. It's all about building networks, about acquiring our networks. Never put a cap on your network by not collecting emails every day. We're supposed to be meeting new people every day. Collect emails, because the more emails we have on our email list, on our database, and we're going to show you how to obtain that system to collect those emails, the more wealthy we will become. Okay, because we can offer something of value to them in exchange for their money. So, and they're going to be seeing our brand and our messages every week, so they're going to get familiar with us. They're going to start to like us because we're providing content, great content to them, not just regular content but valuable content. So that's what's important, to build the brand. Ultimately, we want to stay here for the long term and actively build cash flow every single day. It's all about building an asset that produces cash flow into our pocket every single day, and we can do that with a PDF book, with a video series of maybe a topic we want to teach how to do certain thing, and we have 12 videos and so forth. We're going to show you how to put all of that together successfully. And if you don't have a product or you don't like to talk on videos, it's okay. We have a solution too, because remember, we're here building our asset column, so it doesn't require you to be on a video or do any of that. It requires you to put the systems together, find an opportunity where there's a product that somebody else already built, and then start sending the traffic to that marketing website that they offer. Even so, the companies out here and on the internet, they're even offering their products to be promoted, but they're also offering all the marketing tools with it. In other words, they give you everything. They say, okay, go get me some customers, and then whatever, as long as they keep the membership, we will send you that percentage every single month. So it's residual income, and we're going to show you how to do that successfully by putting the systems together and getting the right traffic into that capture page and building that email list. Because if they buy once, most likely they will buy again, right? Because people are buying information all the time, and they do not want to waste their time that they have, which is probably limited, to try to find it in Google. It's going to be too difficult. That's why we have to focus and narrow down on who is our perfect client, who is our avatar, study our business so well that we know exactly who needs our product right now, who's ready to buy it from us. And we got to put that in front of them, that solution in front of them, with a nice message and a nice offer, and so easy that they can buy, go and repeat again, and also tell other people that, hey, that person is a reliable source. And when we get a new product, or we want to upsell, or we want to add something to the product catalog that we have, then we can go back to them and say, hey, we got a new product. I know you like the last one. You will even love this one better. Check it out. Let us know. And they're going to say, yeah, you know what, we bought it. It was great, whatever. And they're going to continue buying. It's all about bringing value and creating the network so that we can control them. And no one else can tell us, hey, you don't have, you're fired, right? And you don't have anything really to work. All those 25 years that you work for that company, you never got any of the clients that stayed with that company. So you got to start building your own database with clients, with potential clients, with people that are interested in buying products. And we're going to show you how to do that, because it's right there where the money is. It's about getting those emails into our database and providing value to them, okay? So subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram, start making money the ultra wealthy way. We're going to teach you the rules of money, as we always do here, bringing you the business principles that work in all economies. It's all about understanding the rules, the laws, and taking advantage of everything, because this country is built to benefit the entrepreneur and the investors. So there's no reason to do anything illegally. It's actually the best reason why to do everything legal, because it's built, the laws are built to make us ultra wealthy. So we can actually use debt, credit cards, and control it and create more money with that debt. And we're not even using our money. It's all about OPM, other people's money, and OPT, other people's time, and getting a team of OQP, only quality people. All right. So with that being said, I hope you find this video blog valuable. Share the content, leave us a comment, and I'm going to leave the link below and show you start your company right away. Get it going and start learning. Get one of our digital courses, and I'm going to attach a PDF below as well so that you can grab it and so forth. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Glad to be here again, and follow us, and Also, if you like to get our podcast every day, go to www.masterinvestor.host and listen to them as well, because it's all about compounding financial education. And here at Master Investor, our mission is to elevate the financial well-being of all of our partners, including you. So we thank you for being here with us again. And the bigger the company grows, the more value we're going to bring into the marketplace. So I'll see you on the next one. You take care. Bye now.